Hi.
I want to buy some fidgets.
Buy some fidgets? Here, blocks today.
Wait a minute, okay? I want this puppet,
And
this block snake.
And that one?
Not yet. And I want this apple puppet, this dinosaur puppet,
And this one?
this fidgets.
And this one?
No. I want these two and these. How much?
And this one?
No. How much?
$3, $1.
Okay. Here.
Thank you.
Oh, I forgot I want this puppet. Oh, no. I want this one. I want this. And here. And wait. Okay, do like this. Oh, I want this. I want to buy this dimple spinner also.
Okay. One $3. One to the playground. One children. Done.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Wow, I have.
Bye-bye. Go ahead. Next one. Come on, next one.
Oh, hi again. I want to buy more fidgets.
Buy more fidgets?
Actually, I want the whole. I want the whole fidget.
Okay, Mommy. Here you go.
Okay.
Here you go, Mommy.
Here, you can put on my card.
One children playground.